Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Aisha Khalid and welcome to my channel Math Madness by Aisha Khalid. So in today's video, we are going to discuss a couple of log past paper questions. So let's just divide this working space into two parts so we can do both questions together. All right, let's look at the first question. Showing all necessary workings, solve the equation 5 to the power 2x equals to 5x plus 5, giving your answer correct to 3 decimal places. So I can clearly see there are plus minuses involved and this cannot be solved directly. In a plus minus equation, you cannot apply logs directly. Logs can only be applied when the equation has all multiplication, division, nothing else. So let's take 5 power x equals to y. Squaring on both the sides. So 5 power 2x becomes y square. Y square equals to y plus 5. Y square minus y minus 5 equal to 0. When I put it in the calculator, what do I get? My answers are 2.791 and my answer is minus 1.799. Now minus sign will be rejected because we cannot apply log on a negative sign. Now what is y? Y is 5 to the power x. Your choice, you can apply LG or you can apply ln. I will apply ln on both sides. The power comes down. X ln 5 is equals to ln 2.791. X equals to ln 2.791 divided by ln 5. Let's put it in the calculator and let's see what do we get. ln 2.791 divided by ln 5 gives us 0.6377. We have divided to 3 decimal places, so it becomes at 8. Let's look at the next question. The next question says 2e power x plus e power minus x divided by e power x minus e power minus x equal to 4. Cross multiply. Now once again, all plus minuses, I will take the substitution. What substitution will I take? I will take e power x equals to y. 2ex plus 1 upon ex. Now input the substitution, we get 2y plus 1 upon y equals to 4y minus 4 upon y. Let's take the LCM. Basic math needs to be strong if you want to do P3 math. This y cancels out. 1 plus 4 equals to 4y square minus 2y square. 2y square equals to 5. Y square equals to 2.5. Put a square root on it. And when you put a square root on it, we'll just take the plus value, which is 1.581. What is y? Y is e to the power x. And what happens when you remove exponential to the other side? It becomes ln. 0.458 becomes the answer. Next question. Use logs to solve the equation. All right. So let's break the indices first. Five power 3 into 5 power minus 2x equals to 4 into 7 power x. 125 divided by 5 power 2x equals to 4 into 7x. 125 divided by 4 equals to, what is 5 squared? 25. And I'm taking it to the other side. Okay, 25 into 7 is 175 to the power x. 125 divided by 4 is 31.25. Once again, I will apply ln on both the sides. ln 31.25 divided by ln 175. I skip a step. You can also do that, doesn't really matter. But as long as you have a good grip on the concepts. Divided by ln 175 gives me x equals to 0.66623 decimal places is my answer. If you have any questions or you don't get anything, you can always discuss. Given that, question 42, ln 1 plus e power 2y is equals to x, express y in terms of x. Okay, now here, when ln goes on the other side, it becomes e power x. When 1 goes on the other side, it becomes e power x minus 1. E goes on the other side, it becomes ln. Half goes on the other side, half ln ex minus 1. And that's all the requirement of the question. All right, let's move on to another question. Question number 48. I will move log terms to one side. Take log 10 common out. 2x plus 1 minus changes into division. This goes as a power. Now, base to the power is equals to the coefficient. 1 upon 10 is equals to 2x plus 1 upon x square plus 2x plus 1. Cross multiply. You should be good with mental math, like plus minus thing should be good. 1 minus 18 minus 9 gives you x equals to 18.48. X equals to minus 0.487. Now, the next question is, give your answer correct to 3 decimal places. So, yes. We are not going to consider, we can consider the negative answer as well. Not a problem. So, we have these as my answers. Give your answers correct to 3. So, yes, we will have 2 answers to it. All right, now, 49. ln 1 plus e power minus 3x equal to 2. When you move ln to the other side, it becomes e. Then you take minus 1 to the other side. Then you move e to the other side, it becomes ln. Move minus 3 to the other side, this is what it becomes. If you were to ask, if they were asking you the exact answer, you would leave it here. But since they want us to write the answer 3 decimal places, so I'll put it in the calculator. And this gives me e square minus 1, bracket close, minus 0.618 is my answer. That's about it, folks. There are lots of more questions on log, which we'll be discussing in another video. Stay tuned to my channel. Allah Hafiz. Bye-bye.